In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted lists in Trello, and more importantly, the correct way to archive a list, unarchive it, and what really happens when you permanently delete a list. A lot of Trello users get confused between archiving and deleting, and that confusion can sometimes lead to losing important information. So in this complete step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what can be restored and what cannot. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to archive a list. Head over to your Trello board. In this example, we're inside a board called YouTube Planning, but this works on any Trello board. Locate the list you want to archive. At the top of the list, click on the three dots menu to open the list actions. From the drop-down menu, click on Archive this list. As soon as you do that, the list will disappear from your board. Don't worry, it's not deleted. It's simply archived, which means it's hidden from view but still stored safely inside the board. Now let's learn how to restore that archived list. To unarchive it, look at the top right area of your Trello board and click on the menu option. From there, click on Archived Items. Inside the Archived Items panel, click on Lists to filter and display archived lists specifically. You'll now see the list you just archived. Next to that list, click on Restore. As soon as you click Restore, Trello will immediately place the list back onto your board in its original position. That's how simple it is to recover an archived list. Now let's talk about deleting a list permanently, because this is where things change. First, you need to archive the list again, since Trello only allows deletion after a list has been archived. So once again, click the three dots on the list, choose Archive this list, and the list will disappear from the board. Then go back to the board menu, click on Archived Items, and click on Lists to view your archived lists. This time, instead of clicking Restore, click on the trash icon next to the list. Trello will then ask you to confirm the action. Click on Delete to permanently remove the list. Now here's the important part. Once you click Delete, the list is permanently removed from the board. Unlike archived lists, deleted lists cannot be restored. There is no undo button, no recovery option, and no recycle bin after deletion. So if you think you might need the list again in the future, always archive it instead of deleting it. So to quickly recap, archiving hides a list but allows you to restore it any time through the Archived Items section. Deleting permanently removes the list and it cannot be brought back. Always double-check before clicking that delete button. That's it. Now you know exactly how to restore archived lists in Trello and understand why deleted lists cannot be recovered. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.